Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. No rule book to cooking. How have you guys been? I hope everyone is well. You're staying warm in this weather, snowstorm. We got a huge snowstorm the other day in New York City, but I hope everyone's staying warm, staying safe in this pandemic. Anyways, guys, I prepared for y'all today, boy. Let me tell you. Let's talk about it. Some jerk barbecue wings and some Korean fried chicken wings. Guys, I cannot stress how delicious these wings are. These are my go-to favorite. These are my kids' favorite. Like whenever I make these wings, everybody loves them. They're super easy to make. The hardest thing about these is just the sauce. Once you get the sauce, it's no stopping. It's no going back from there. The sauce is amazing. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to write down the step-by-step directions on how to get the sauce for each of these chicken wings. I'm telling you, they are amazing, guys. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, turn on your notification bell, and leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think about the video. Ask me any questions information that I might not have said and you guys would like to know. Ask me, make suggestions of things that you guys want me to cook. I will be in the comment section, guys, all right? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me tell you guys, I'm talking, but I just want to taste these damn chicken. Let's go. Let me see. And the thing about this one is it's sticky, crunchy, and sweet. What a combination. Let's go. Let me tell you. I put like a trick on how to get your chicken crunchy but juicy on the inside in this video. So you really want to watch this video. You really want to check this video out. This is amazing. Super amazing. I have some carrots, some blue cheese dip. This type of food is good for game day. Super Bowl is coming up. This is a good food to have on the menu. Let's try the wings. Let's go in now for that jerk barbecue. Let's see. Wow. Wow. You can taste that jerk sauce. You can taste all them seasonings. Wow. It's like a firecracker in your mouth. The sweetness of the barbecue sauce, the wings are, the skin is nice and chewy, and the meat is so juicy on the inside. So good. Now, stay tuned. You guys gonna see, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make these wings, y'all. So let's get into this video.
Growing Vein Production.
Okay guys, so what we're going to need to prepare these wings, we're gonna need chicken wings. I have some chopped ginger, chopped garlic, parsley, scallion, these are for later. You need jerk sauce. I have mild, you can get hot. You can get this out of your grocery store. Some black pepper and salt. And I'll show you the ingredients that I used to make the sauce for the Korean wings later. All right, so let's start by seasoning the jerk wing. Just put some salt not a lot, about a teaspoon of salt. Same for the black pepper. So we're gonna go in, that's 1, 2. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons, 3, because you just wanna ensure that everything is coated nicely there. All right, so you're just gonna go in, mix everything up, get the wings nice on our bacon rack. So you just want to lay them down like that. Some space in between them so they cook real nice. Get that nice char on them, right? Already preheated. So let's go in. We're just gonna let those cook. We'll check on them periodically. All right, now to make the barbecue sauce to go on the jerk wings. So we're gonna add some butter. All right, now that our butter is melted, we're gonna add some brown sugar. Mix it around. Then we're gonna add some barbecue sauce. Next, we'll be adding some Dijon mustard. Let everything come to a boil. All right, we're about to check on our jerk wings. They are looking pretty good. Just give them a flip. Okay guys, now that we fully cooked our jerk wings, the same sheet pan, we're just gonna use the bottom half of it, the bottom part, not without the wrap. We're just gonna coat it with a little cooking spray, and we're going to return these wings back onto the pan before we dip in them in the jerk sauce. I'm sorry, in the barbecue sauce. We're just gonna put them, just dip them and place them on the pan. Just like that. Beautiful. This looks, wow. We have to go in and just pour that sauce all over. We don't want no sauce goes to waste. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. Now we're gonna put it back in the oven on broil. All right, now we're going to get started on our Korean wings, all right? Korean fried wings. So for this, we need some salt. And like I said, about a teaspoon. Some black pepper. And a handful of the ginger. So just go in like that. Mix it all up. Again, I forgot to put my gloves on this time. Everything is just so much more easier with the gloves. Now that we have the ginger, the salt, the black pepper on the wings, we're gonna coat each wing in the cornstarch. Just basically just going to coat each wing like that, evenly coated, and just sit it there aside in the pan. We're gonna go in again. We're gonna do all of them. Now this cornstarch is going to get the wings nice and crispy, like super crispy. And I'm going to show you guys a trick to get your wings super, super crispy that I learned from watching food channels all day. All right, coat everything up. Okay, now that our pot is hot, we're gonna go in with 2 cups of canola oil. You can use vegetable oil, whatever oil you have. That's good for frying. All right, so that's 2 cups of oil. I'm gonna go in with our chicken. Fried ones over here. All right, our chicken is fried 1 time, so we're gonna remove them from the oil. Remember I told you guys I'm gonna show you a little secret to get your chicken wings extra crunchy. We are going to double fry. We're gonna fry them twice. So just remove those from the oil, let them sit for about a couple minutes, and then we are going to return them to the oil. All right, now that we had our chicken, our fried chicken sitting, resting, we're gonna return them to the oil to fry it 1 more time. All right, time for our sauce for the Korean wings. So we're just gonna go in with some olive oil. Add your chopped garlic and chopped ginger and chopped peppers, chili peppers. Mix that around. Go in with 1/4 cup soy sauce. I need about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now we're going in with about 2 tablespoons of honey. Got some hot sesame oil. Sesame oil. Sesame oil is gonna give it that nutty flavor. It's gonna remove it from the heat. A nice caramelized texture to it, and we are gonna go in with our fried chicken. And we're just going to mix it up, get everything coated nicely. Sauce.
Beautiful.
All right, guys, so we are done. We are finished. So I have my beautiful wings tray here that I'm going to plate my wings on. And I also added a side of carrots and celery with some blue cheese dressing, because you guys can use ranch dressing if that's your preference. But how beautiful. So let's plate these babies. Oh my God, this looks so juicy. So You got your girlfriend coming over, you know, your homeboys. You could prepare these wings for them. That is so beautiful. You make some more space. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, let's do the same for the Korean fried chicken. This is nice. The thing about this chicken is once it cools down, once the sauce cools down, oh my god, it becomes so sticky and sweet. So you're getting all sorts of flavors, sticky, sweet, crunchy, all sorts of texture going on. Wow, just amazing. Just amazing. Then you know we have to go in with the garnish. So just gonna garnish with some scallions for our Korean fried chicken wings. And we're gonna go in with some parsley on our jerk wings. Just drop some in the dressing too. Beautiful. Okay guys, so this week's infomercial, I'm going to tell you guys about two things. A prong. So you guys saw me using this to pick the chicken wings up, coat it in the sauce. Anything that you need to pick up that's hot, you need a prongs for that. You can use it to flip your fish. Super convenient for that. So this what I use in this week's video are prongs. These are some cute little silicone ones I got from Walmart. There's many different styles, many different versions. They're all the same. Just get you some prongs, guys. And the other thing we have is this rack. So y'all saw me use it with the wings on the tray. So I told you guys it's good for when you're trying to jerk wings or just any kind of meat that you don't want the juices in. You want the juices to just drip in the pan. So this is what this is for. They sell them separately, but you can also buy it also with the pan, but they also sell them separately. You can get these from the dollar store, Walmart, anywhere. Just go in there and ask them for like oven safe racks. So, and then you guys can get that. So that's the two things, racks and the prongs. All right, so there you have it, guys. We have jerk barbecue wings here, and we have Korean fried chicken wings with some blue cheese dressing, celery, and carrots. Oh my God, guys, you have to give this meal a try. Super easy, quick, delicious, great for game days. Super Bowl is coming up, guys, so these wings should be on the menu. These will be a hitter with y'all guests.